In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add funds to your Payoneer account from your bank app. First, sign into your Payoneer account using the official website or app. Make sure you're on a secure connection and, if you have it, use two-factor authentication for extra safety. Once you're in, head to your homepage. You'll see your available balances by currency. Choose the balance you want to top up, then select Add Funds. This button is what initiates the funding process for that specific currency, so pick the one that matches the money you'll be sending. At this point, Payoneer may prompt you for additional identity or business information. This verification helps them comply with financial regulations and protect your account. You might be asked for documents such as a government ID or business details. Submit everything clearly and accurately, and avoid sharing any sensitive information not requested in the form. Approval can take a few days, so keep an eye on your email and account notifications. You only need to go through this verification when asked. Once approved, future transfers are usually faster. After your information is approved, Payoneer will display receiving account details for the currency you selected. Think of these as bank account details local to that currency, such as an account number, routing number, or IBAN, and the beneficiary name. These details are unique to your account, so copy them exactly. Note any specific reference or memo they provide, as some transfers require it to route funds correctly. Now switch to your own bank's app or online banking. Set up a new transfer or payee using the receiving details shown in Payoneer. Enter the beneficiary name exactly as displayed, choose the right currency, and add any required reference. Transfers generally must come from a bank account in your name. Third-party transfers are often rejected. Double-check every field before confirming, and review your bank's fees and estimated delivery time. Domestic transfers in the same currency are often quicker, while international wires can take longer. Once the transfer is sent, save the confirmation or receipt from your bank. Return to Payoneer to monitor your balance. Processing times vary by country, bank, and currency, but you'll typically see funds reflected after the transfer clears. If the money doesn't arrive within the expected time frame, compare the details you entered with the Payoneer receiving information and contact support if needed. That's it. By signing in, choosing the correct balance, completing verification when prompted, grabbing your receiving details, and sending the transfer from your bank, you can reliably add funds to your Payoneer account.